Top 10 Fragrant Herbs. 1. Lavender, the calming fragrance. Meet lavender, the queen of calm. Its soothing aroma melts away stress, helps you sleep better, and fills your home with peace. A must-have for every relaxing garden. Top 10 benefits. 1. Relieves stress and anxiety. 2. Promotes deep sleep. 3. Natural air freshener. 4. Keeps moths and bugs away. 5. Soothes skin irritations. 6. Great for DIY bath salts. 7. Boosts mood instantly. 8. Heals minor burns and cuts. 9. Enhances relaxation in aroma diffusers. 10. Perfect for homemade perfumes. 2. Rosemary, the memory booster herb. Want to stay focused and fresh? Grow rosemary. Its woody fragrance sharpens your memory, reduces stress, and keeps bugs away naturally. Top 10 benefits of rosemary. 1. Sharpens focus and memory. 2. Energizing woody fragrance. 3. Natural insect repellent. 4. Improves air quality indoors. 5. Reduces stress and fatigue. 6. Great for hair growth oils. 7. Boosts mental clarity. 8. Freshens up kitchens naturally. 9. Adds fragrance to bath blends. 10. Promotes respiratory health. Three. Mint, the cool freshness king. Nothing beats the refreshing scent of mint. It cools the air, repels mosquitoes, and lifts your energy instantly. Perfect for every season. Top 10 benefits. 1. Refreshes air instantly. 2. Repels mosquitoes naturally. 3. Relieves headaches with sen. 4. Soothes stress and anxiety. Nine. Cool fragrance for summer. 10. Adds aroma to homemade sprays. 4. Lemon Balm, the mood uplifter. Feeling stressed? Let Lemon Balm lift your mood. Its sweet citrus scent calms anxiety, improves sleep, and adds positivity to your home. Top 10 benefits. 1. Calms the mind naturally. 2. Relieves anxiety and restlessness. 3. Smells like fresh lemons. 4. Helps improve sleep quality. 5. Attracts bees and butterflies. 6. Great for herbal teas. 7. Eases tension headaches. 8. Refreshes room with citrus aroma. 9. Promotes relaxation and balance. 10. Supports healthy digestion. Basil/Tulsi, the purifier herb. Holy basil or Tulsi, the sacred purifier. Its sweet aroma cleanses the air, reduces stress, and boosts immunity. A blessing for every home. Top 10 benefits. 1. Purifies air naturally. 2. Reduces stress levels. 3. Sacred plant with healing aroma. 4. Fights respiratory infections. 5. Boosts immunity. 6. Keeps mosquitoes away. 7. Great for aromatherapy blends. 8. Promotes mental clarity. 9. Freshens home environment. 10. Fills home with divine fragrance. Six. Thyme, the healing herb. Thyme smells earthy and fresh. It purifies the air, boosts immunity, and keeps bacteria at bay. Perfect for a healthy, fragrant home. 10 health benefits. 1. Strong antibacterial aroma. 2. Natural air purifier. 3. Relieves cough and cold. 4. Boosts immunity. 5. Fresh earthy fragrance. 6. Adds freshness to kitchens. 7. Soothes sore throat naturally. 8. Great for herbal potpourri. 9. Promotes relaxation. 10. Keeps molds and odors away. 7. Lemongrass, the energy booster. Bright, citrusy, and full of life. Lemongrass energizes your mood, keeps mosquitoes away, and refreshes every corner of your home. 10 health benefits. 1. Fresh citrus aroma lifts mood. 2. Natural insect repellent. 3. Fights odor and bacteria. 4. Reduces anxiety and tension. 5. Refreshes your home instantly. 6. Improves focus and concentration. 7. Great for spa or bath blends. 8. Clears air naturally. 9. Helps repel mosquitoes. 10. Uplifts energy and positivity. 8. Sage, the cleansing herb. Sage isn't just an herb, it's a cleanser of energy. Burn it or grow it to purify your home, clear the mind, and promote positivity. Top 10 benefits. 1. Purifies negative energy. 2. Earthy aroma calms mind. 3. Acts as natural deodorizer. 4. Kills airborne bacteria. 5. Enhances focus and clarity. 6. Used in spiritual cleansing. 7. Supports respiratory health. 8. Relieves stress naturally. 9. Adds fragrance to smudge sticks. 10. Balances emotions and energy. Nine. Jasmine, the romantic fragrance. Romance in your garden. Jasmine sweet, dreamy fragrance relaxes your mind and turns your nights into something magical. Top 10 health benefits. 1. Promotes relaxation and peace. 2. Fills room with exotic aroma. 3. Enhances mood instantly. 4. Acts as natural antidepressant. 5. Helps with better sleep. 6. Great for natural perfume. 7. Boosts confidence and positivity. 8. Relieves stress and tension. 9. Perfect for night garden fragrance. 10. Attracts pollinators beautifully. Ten. Chamomile, the sleep herb. Sleep naturally with chamomile. Its gentle fragrance relaxes your mind, reduces anxiety, and helps you drift into peaceful dreams. 10 health benefits. 1. Sweet, soothing aroma. 2. Promotes deep, restful sleep. 3. Calms anxiety and nerves. 4. Soothes irritated skin. 5. Great for bedtime teas. 6. Eases headaches naturally. 7. Perfect for relaxation sprays. 8. Reduces stress after a long day. 9. Freshens air with gentle scent. 10. Promotes overall calm and wellness. Hit a like and subscribe to my channel.